Here's one I've been pondering. Does the RV lifestyle make you fat? I think the answer is yes and no. For recreational RVers who take a week, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, I think the answer is yes. But for us nomads, I think the answer is no. Now here's why I think this. For recreational RVers who just get out for a week, 10 days, maybe 2 weeks, it's to get away from sticks and bricks and a 9 to 5 and all the rules of society. So, if you were getting up and going running every day and you were on some kind of really restricted diet and all that, the opportunity of getting away in an RV is to just let all that stuff go. And, you hear a lot of people talk about, wow, I gained 5 pounds in 14 days, or I gained 8 pounds in 14 days, or, the recreational RVer, I've seen some of them on the internet where they're like, ooh, can't wait to go to so-and-so and such because on the way I can stop at this convenience store and they've got Cinnabons, and I love Cinnabons, or Krispy Kreme, or, they eat all the things that they wouldn't eat in their sticks and bricks. And, you're too busy having fun to get in that run or to get in those exercises. And, you're giving your body time to recover from the 9 to 5. So I think for recreational RVers sometimes, yeah, you can get a little fat being an RVer. But by the time you become a nomad, you realize, I think a lot of nomads maybe don't eat quite as well as they should, because when you're out there in the boonies, sometimes your selection isn't all that great. And, I try to eat I do eat a whole lot better than I do when I'm in an urban environment, because fast food is so easy. And I'm real curious about what your thoughts are out there about this, does the RV lifestyle tend to make you more or less physically fit and a little bit more chunky because the convenience of fast food sways what you eat for the day? And to cook your own meals is not all that great, I'm finding out, but boy, it saves money and it is a whole lot healthier. So I've learned that fixing my own meals is quite a bit cheaper and healthier for me than it is to eat out. And I'm curious to see what kind of struggles you guys have had out there with this whole, boondocking and recreational RVing, and how it's so easy to go to all the fantastic places that have great food, and it's all pretty rich and pretty substantial. And the other thing is portion control. Eating out at restaurants, I don't know what army they're trying to feed, but they give, one person enough food to feed 6 or 7 people. And if you're like me, you were raised to, to clean your plate and never leave anything behind. And it's, you tend to do that versus, give me a doggy bag I will eat half and half for later, which is something I'm starting to learn. But yeah, this is another one of my little ponder things, like does the RV lifestyle make you fat or not? What do you guys think out there? I'm very curious to learn from you, because you have some great ideas and comments. So I'll keep posting as long as you keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye.